Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you my room makeover. So at first we had a custom shelf made for that corner. And when I was little, that was a place for me to put all of my toys and my stuffed animals. But then I made it a display shelf after I donated most of my toys. Then we eventually removed that shelf so that there's more space inside of the room. The walls of my room were painted in pink, and so is the built-in closet. But now we've painted the walls white, and we also added some new lights on the corners. And then we also painted the windows white and added some new blinds. Now the only furniture I have in my room is my bed and my desk, which is from IKEA. And later in this video, I'm also going to add a new side table, which is from IKEA as well. And as usual, I'm going to link all of the furniture and decor that I will show in this video in the description box down below. Now let's continue with the makeover. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope it also inspired you to add your own unique touch to your room. And my desk makeover video is coming very soon, so be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss it. Also, give this video a like and comment down below what other videos you'd like to see. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!